Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to use the new Zapinfo search library that we've pulled together that gives you thousands of different search strings that might help you to explore and find talent and people in places you might not have thought of before. So as you can see, the search library has different keywords, domains, results from categories, site types, and location strings that can help you to quickly get on top of talent in all of these different markets. So for example, if I wanted to look for software developers, I could pop that in here, and as you can see, it's showing me I can find people on Topdol, on Google, with results from Zing. So one of the things that you're going to see here is you're going to see that we've got the search title, we've got the domain that we're going to be searching against, and then results from. So for example, here we're searching Google, but we're going to see results from Zing. Meaning when we click on this, it's actually going to show us Zing profiles as a part of the search results. So it's doing an X-ray search on the site because they push all of their profiles out, which is a great way to be able to harvest people. And you can see then that the search type is actually a search engine, but it's searching against a social network. So again, you can go ahead and search for things like that, or let's say you wanted to just look for Python developers. You can do that. You can say, hey, here's all the different places I can search for Python developers, including out to GitHub, right, which will actually put you right on top of GitHub results. You can also go ahead and do things like search for Google results with Zapinfo. So this would put me right on top of Zapinfo results. Now remember, we're just starting you over into the screens. So here you can put in and near Minneapolis, right? And then it'll bring your results down and just show you results within that area. So if you know a little bit of Boolean, this can really help you to get right on top of those results and add those results into how you're doing your search strings. It's just really intended to help save you a tremendous amount of time going to all of these different places to try to have to do searches where you would have maybe not thought to go to some of these markets or otherwise. Now, we also do help you do graph search into Facebook with a lot of different Facebook results. So, for example, if I wanted to find dentists, right, I could go ahead and pop that in, and here I can find dentists. And in this case, we've actually done the search into Facebook using the Facebook graph, but instead of it being all locations, meaning you're going to type in the location data, we've pre-injected some of the location data. So for here, say I wanted to find all dentists that were in Florida, right? The Florida markets. Now we've tried to add keywords in so that all of the Florida markets like Orlando, Miami would show up for you. So we've always tried to combine if there's a state name and a city name, and then you can just pop this in and voila, here's all of the different people that are dentists that are in the Facebook site. And of course, you can use the Zapinfo tool to then instantly extract and engage with these people within the search results set. So you can go ahead and say, oh, well, now I want to get everybody out of here. It'll pop all of the contacts into your Zap board, making it super easy for you to be able to view these people. And then certainly if you wanted to engage with everybody, you could just click get to everybody, send them an engagement message. You know, it's going to go ahead and then build those messages and help you to automatically visit every Facebook profile, open up the message board and create that outbound message for you, and just repeat that for you over and over so you can enhance your engagement capability kind of over and over and over again. So it's a really super great way for you to be able to use the search library to go out and find people out there. Now, if you do want to request searches, you can click on the request screen and go ahead and enter in that you want to get different searches in, and we're going to try to turn these around relatively quickly. But we could mass populate your ability to even find different, healthcare people. So you can type in healthcare as a category, and we don't have any in Florida right now, but you can see here's all of the healthcare folks that you can go and find. And sometimes you might find them on Health Grades or Doximity or ZocDoc or any of those other things. If you want to just do searches for, hey, show me what kind of Facebook searches they have, here you can see all of the different Facebook searches that we've put together. maybe if you wanted to look at results that are from like I said, ZocDoc, you can go ahead and see what searches we've got for that site. You can look for social networking sites. You could look for directories where we've got different things, and you can see all of that stuff. So again, it gives you kind of some neat ability to see what other people are doing in terms of their searching. Now, one of the things we did put in here is a lot of diversity searches as well. So you can come in and start seeing, hey, where can I find people with diverse search strings? So if you wanted to look for people with a Society of Women Engineers, you can go ahead and start that search with that. And so you can see here that brought up 135,000 people that were members of the SWE, but then you could say, well, I want people near Chicago that are engineers, and now we're right down to 880 of those people that are members of the SWE near Chicago. So again, really just meant to be a starting point or a launch for you to see how you can do some of these searches. If you're looking for military types of people, you can see all of the different military codes and people that have those different military codes, and we've built searches on the search engines, on the social networks, and things like that as well. So again, enjoy the search library tool. It's a free resource. You can just go to search.zapinfo.com and utilize this or bookmark this site, and again, request searches that we can help provide for you, and enjoy this free resource.